Stop by and take a look at the 2023 GLC. The Mercedes-Benz GLC sets the bar for the luxury SUV, a mid-size SUV that's all lean muscle and has a roomy new cabin full of style and substance. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, panorama sunroof, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
A certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz is so much more than a used car. It's built by a company famous for engineering triumphs, racing heritage, and its commitment to luxury, quality, reliability, and safety. Ask your dealer for details about the Mercedes-Benz Certified Pre-Owned program.